How to delete archived messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to delete the archived messages, what you have to do is just first go to the Messenger application on your device. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Then tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the archive option available over here. Then tap on any of the archive messages that you want to delete. Just make a long press on the messages, then tap on delete option as you get it from the below option. So just tap on delete. Here a little pop-up will pop up which says if you really want to delete this entire conversation. So you just have to tap on delete and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.